Alright guys, so today we will be making this really cool Pewdiepie texture. You can use this texture with just about anything you want to. Today's texture is just really simple and really easy to make. So this is going to be a relatively short video. Well, let's get into it. We're going to start by deleting this cube. Go ahead and putting in our plane. We're going to scale it by 8. Let's go ahead and hit 7 to get our top view, and let's bring this over into our shader view. Put this in our shader editor. We're going to hit N here to get rid of that bar, to create a new texture. That way we have this texture here. Now we're not going to be touching any of these controls, but we are going to start by bringing in let's see, we're going to go ahead and bring in our color ramp, hooking that up to our base color, and then we're going to bring in a wave texture. If you have the Node Wrangler enabled, go ahead and hit Ctrl-T while selecting your wave texture. Switch this over to Object. Okay, once you've done that, we can go ahead and start messing around with some of the settings to get that nice wave texture. We're going to start by getting our colors in place, so we're going to get the red here, or whatever color you want to put in, and we've already got the black. We're going to change this to constant and move our red in, so we can adjust the thickness of the lines there. I'm going to go ahead and bring this roughness up all the way, that we get a nice vivid look here. To get that wave-like look, we're going to go ahead and bring this detail down to 0.2, and then our distortion to around 30. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and bring your detail down to 0. And just like that, you have the wave texture. If you want more waves like this, all you have to do is just change the scale, and it brings it out so you can see more waves and you get more of that texture. Alright guys, I know this was a short video, but if this is your texture, thank you for watching. Have a good one.